What's up, guys? Today is just forward and backward roll combos. Fairly simple, and you can do it at home. And what you're going to do is just start off by making sure that your back is completely rounded. And then coming back up. I want you to practice in different angles too. Then you can use your elbow to stop you, like a brake pad or a chicken wing. From here, we're just going to go a little bit further. Look at the left side if you're going to the left, and point your left foot to get it to touch first. Now let's go a little bit further and posting your opposite hand. If you go to the right, right foot touches first, right arm extends, and you look at the right side. Post the opposite arm, and just reverse the action. Now to roll over your neck, I want you to really get comfortable just holding the position first. So it looks a little weird, so bear with me. Same thing, your back stays rounded. Start with your legs bent, and your legs don't have to touch the floor. You can have them hovering and just hold it. If that's too easy, then place your feet on the floor and then extend the legs. Now to roll over that position, I like to start off with like a very flexed pose. So you're doing the same thing, but you post on your hands and elbows and forearms. To go forward, you're avoiding your head. Not necessarily on top, but trying to get here. And then point forward to get that momentum to get you through. To make this a little bit harder, go a little faster and post on your fists. You can press up into it if you want to. Then to make this harder, go a little faster and extend the legs. Play the hands. Then you can take this further by pressing all the way up. And then your roll, you can go faster as well.